Hi guys, right, we are in sunny Tenerife. We're about to do the jet skiing. Why is my face so close to the camera? Because of my lanyard, as you can see. So I don't know how this is going to work on a jet ski, but the idea is to, well, see if it stays on. I'm going on a double jet ski with Hannah. So she'll be behind me, hopefully catching my system as a second slip or something like that if the worst happens. But it should be alright. Let's see what happens. So yeah, I wish I could just get this lanyard a little bit more longer, but I can't. It's just the way it is. So anyway, we're being towed now out to the deep sea, and then we'll start driving. I'll try and hold the camera best I can, but it could be a bit splashy, a bit wobbly. Okay, madness! I'm gonna have to drop my phone. I gotta hold on. I gotta get myself one of these! Right, so we've just got to, blimey, that was my hair is all over the shop, seriously, but it's still on. Okay, look at old Harry Boi going over there, look. So a bit of a pause in the action as Harry Boi is man overboard. But yeah, the hair system's okay. I guess I should be more concerned about my son, which I am of course, but he's in good hands. He's got a life jacket on. I think the problem is with Harry Boi, he never passed his 50 plus at school. So if anyone's going to fall off a jet ski, it's going to be Harry. You know, look at this. Here we go. See you later. Oh, it's so weird. Oh, that is beautifully cold. Oh, Hannah, I will go to the rescue in a minute. God, I wonder how deep this water is. Right.
Dad? Moving so much. Dad? Hi, how's it going?
Salty water. So there's Harry Boi in the water again, but this time.
Dad, were you trying to race me earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew he didn't know he was racing you. But you got more weight.
Can you know how to bleep out swear words, don't you?
Yeah. I'm making myself more and more scared.
So there he is, bobbing around like a little cork. And swearing. So now we've stopped. I'm able to move the phone a little bit further back because I've disconnected the lanyard. But yeah, stayed on throughout all that. It's not just getting wet with the splashing, but it's also the wind as well. It's really windy on a jet ski. But it survived. Bond's absolutely fine. It's not coming off. There's no danger of that. So on to the next activity, I guess.